This is a run through of the calculation by Regina Spektor. We're going to play it as obviously it's not very guitar-y, but we're going to use it as a bar chords exercise. We're just learning A shape and E shape bar chords. So this is a shape bar chord and A shape bar chord at the 3rd fret, which makes it a C major. So what we're going to do to replicate the sound of what's happening on the piano is play with our thumb the bass all the time. And with our 1st, 2nd and 3rd fingers we're going to play the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings. So it's going to sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay? So each time, in order to stop that sound, I'm just releasing the pressure on my left hand. So the intro goes like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, then the song starts. 1 and 2 and 3 and then you hit an E bass. Then an F, this is our first E shape bar chord. Play an A minor. So that's the verse. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 F4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 3 and 4 and there's a little kind of pre-chorus section. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and F 1 and 2 and same kind of thing with your right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G and 2 and 3 and 4 and then our kind of chorus is F 1 and 2 and then we're going to play F with an A bass. So our fingers are going to go like, so we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and C 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and, okay. So it's going to sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 D minor. It's an A shaped bar chord at the 5th fret. 1 and 2 and 3 B flat at the 1st fret. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's an F. Alright, then the 2nd verse comes along, which is pretty much the same as the 1st verse, except with a bar in the middle, there's a drum fill. Then the pre-chorus happens again, the same chords, and then the chorus happens again, same chords, and then there's an outro. Now here the timing is a bit funny, there's some short bars and longer bars, so I'll just run through them. We've got, the first 4 bars are all of 4, so we've got 1 and, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 bars 5 to 9 of this section are this: B flat, 1 and 2 and F and 4 and G and 2 and that's a short bar. So you've got half a bar of B flat, half a bar of F, 2 beat bar of G, and then we'll return to B flat. We play 4 beats, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then F, 1 and 2 and then G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so you notice there the F bar was the 2 beats. Then we're going to go to bars 10 through 13. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 that was basically a loop of the same thing twice. So 4 beats of B flat, 2 of F, 2 of G, and then we've got B flat again. This is bar 15. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then the last 4 bars, this kind of happens whilst the song kind of peters out. like, over those last 4 bars you can put a G7 instead. With your little finger here on the 6th fret of the 2nd string. And that's how it goes.